Okay, we just finished up. Got a little bit of extra duct work left over. I'll be taking stuff back in our tools. This will be our living room, kitchen. As you can see, it's 18 plus feet ceilings. We had dropped in, like I said, on that 1 2-ton unit, the 4-inch, 8-inch supplies. We have 4 of them with our return and our sensor upstairs. And then this is what people think of when they say Daikin ductless mini splits. We have one wall mount unit here with a line set feeding out back, warming this third bedroom. And then when you go upstairs, she has a sitting reading room that we did supply with a vent, and also one of our temp sensors here. The second bedroom, which leads out to a balcony, vent and return. It has an incredible view. And of course, the guest bathroom. We have some 6-inch supplies there. Grab our jackets. And we're feeding over to an incredible view. Nice little bridge. Again, the 8-inch. This will be her master bedroom. 2 8-inch supplies, high wall return, sensor. And then we get the master bathroom. And then here we have a sheet metal duct return. And again, a beautiful home.